Hello and welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 Minutes YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the differences between 没关系,没什么,没事儿,不要紧. All these 4 Chinese phrases in English mean it does not matter, no problem, it's okay. Let us see how to use all these Chinese phrases. Number 1, when someone says sorry. 对不起，我忘了今天是你的生日。对不起，我忘了今天是你的生日。Sorry, I forgot that today is your birthday. 没关系，没什么，没事儿，不要紧，没关系，没什么，没事儿，不要紧。It's okay, no problem. 对不起，我把你的裤子弄破了。对不起，我把你的裤子弄破了。I'm sorry, I torn your pants. 没关系，没什么，没事儿，不要紧，没关系，没什么，没事儿，不要紧。It's okay, no problem. Number 2, when someone says thank you. 谢谢你今天帮了我一个大忙。谢谢你今天帮了我一个大忙。Thank you, you really did me a big favor today. 没关系，没什么，没事儿，不要紧，没关系，没什么，没事儿，不要紧。It's okay, no problem. Number 3, when you want to mean it's okay or does not matter. 今天的会议你去不去都没关系。今天的会议你去不去都没关系。It does not matter whether you attend the meeting today. For this sentence, you can use 没什么，没事儿，不要紧。You can say 今天的会议你去不去都没什么 or 都没事儿 or 都不要紧。Number 4, when you want to mean I am fine or it's nothing. 你是怎么了？你是怎么了？What's wrong with you? 没什么，只是头有点疼。没什么，只是头有点疼。It's nothing. I have a little headache. You cannot change to 没关系 or 不要紧 because it does not answer the question 怎么了。However, you can use 没事儿 because it means nothing serious or not to worry. When the question is 你头疼需要去医院吗？你头疼需要去医院吗？ You have a headache. Do you need to go to the hospital? 没关系，别麻烦了。没关系，别麻 烦了。It's okay, don't bother. You can change to 没事儿 from 没关系 or to 不要紧 but not 没什么。Number 5. When you want to mean not related. 家里没电的事跟你没关系。家里没电的事跟你没关系。It has nothing to do with you that there is no electricity in the house. For this sentence, you cannot change to 没事儿不要紧 or 没什么。Number 6. When you want to state the matter has no importance. 升职不升职对我来说没什么。升职不升职对我来说没什么。Whether I promote or not, it is not important to me. For this sentence, you cannot change 没什么 to 没事儿不要紧 or 没关系 because the 没什么 means it has little effect on me. Number 7. When you want to mean nothing to do. 他最近一整天都没事儿做。他最近一整天都没事做。He has nothing to do all day lately. You cannot change 没事儿 to 没什么，不要紧 or 没关系。没事儿的时候，他喜欢听音乐。没事儿的时候，他喜欢听音乐。When he has nothing to do, he likes to listen to the music. Just like the sentence above, you cannot change 没事儿 to 没什么，不要紧 or 没关系。Number 8. When you want to comfort someone. 小明会没事的，你不用担心。小明会没事儿的，你不用担心。小明 will be fine. Don't worry. You cannot change 没事儿 here to 没什么 or 不要紧 or 没关系。没事儿，事情很快就会过去的。没事儿，事情很快就会过去的。It's all right, things will be over soon. You can change 没事儿 to 不要紧，没关系 or 没什么。Number 9. When you want to reject someone's offer. 东西很沉，需要我帮你吗？东西很沉，需要我帮你吗？It's heavy. You need help? 没事儿，我自己可以。没事儿，我自己可以。It's okay. I can handle it myself. For this sentence, you can change 没事儿 to 不要紧。Number 10. Used in the first half of a sentence to introduce a contrast in the following sentence. 你这次考试不及格不要紧，下次不可以再这样。你这次考试不及格不要紧，下次不可以再这样。It's okay that you fail your exam this time, but not the next time. For this sentence, you can change 不要紧 to 没关系。失败了不要紧，大不了从头开始。失败了不要紧，大不了从头开始。It doesn't matter if you fail. Worst comes to worst, you can just start from scratch again. You can change 不要紧 to 没关系 or 没什么。没关系 没什么,没事儿,不要紧 are colloquial language that are very often used in daily conversations. Have you used these four Chinese phrases before? If not, do try to use them next time so as to sound more like a native speaker.